Welcome. If you want to send a voice message to a chat on Instagram using your PC, the latest update has made it easier than ever. Let's walk through each step so you can start sharing your voice with friends, family, or colleagues right from your desktop. First, open the Instagram app on your computer. If you're using a browser, just head to the Instagram website and log in with your account details. The interface is clean and familiar, so you'll feel right at home. Once you're logged in, look to the left side of the screen and find the Messages icon. It usually looks like a speech bubble or a paper airplane. Click on this icon to access your direct messages. Here, you'll see a list of all your ongoing conversations, neatly organized for easy access. Now, choose the chat where you want to send your voice message. Simply click on the conversation to open it. You'll see the message history with that person or group, just like you would on your phone. Next, look for the voice recorder icon inside the chat window. This icon typically appears as a small microphone, usually near the text input area at the bottom of the screen. Click on the microphone icon to start recording your message. Speak clearly and at a comfortable pace, sharing whatever you want to say. When you're done recording, you'll see the option to send your message. If you're happy with how it sounds, just click Send. Your voice message will be delivered instantly to the chat, allowing for a more personal and expressive way to communicate. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can now send voice messages on Instagram directly from your PC. This feature is perfect for when you want to add a personal touch to your conversations without typing everything out. Give it a try and enjoy connecting with others in a whole new way.